one students. Change clockwise. B. C, B, 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 C words. Okay, I want you to answer number 1. Erica. Read and answer. There are 7 days in a... Okay, in a week. Very good. Okay, answer.
Ako, sir, number 2.
Ano, isa ha? Okay, check. Next, number 2. Goldie. Read sa una. Farmer Jean planted the... Okay, seed. Okay, number 3. Eureka.
I feel blank because I am sick.
I feel blank because I'm sick. Your answer is?
Weak.
Okay, weak.
Kanina. Di na ba ko?
Permanent na, tanawa. Kabasin, tanawa na. Permanent na ba ni pagkagapon?
Kaya sa daw yung tayo. Kaya sa daw tayo.
Okay, number 4.
Ako, sir.
Okay, Anna Jane.
Would you like to join the time?
Okay.
I find. Team.
Okay, would you like to join the team? Okay, next, number 5. Frank. Each blank is green equals M equals. Your answer is cube. Okay, next. Number 6, Fiorella. Okay, your ride is?
Right is at the blank of the school.
Your answer is? Okay, gate. Next, number 7, Miho. Okay, Jane will take blank in class. Your answer is? No. Okay, 10 over 10 plus 3. Okay, 1. Two. Choose a preposition from the box to complete the sentence. Okay. I want you to answer number 1 on the board. Or read and answer number 1, Faith.
Wild strawberries were glowing down from the face. Above.
Kusga.
Above.
Okay, wild strawberries were growing among the roots of the trees. Okay, next, number 2, Faith. Oh no, Daisy.
I walk blank the person.
I walk blank.
The person.
I walked.
Blank the person.
So your answer is?
Underneath.
I walked toward the present.
Toward.
Next, number 3, Zyril.
We step blank the plane with its beauty.
We step blank the train impressed with its beauty. It is?
Over.
We step onto the train impressed with its beauty. Okay, next. Number 4, Alexia.
We pointed at the plane.
Very good. We pointed at the plane. We pointed. No. We pointed. We pointed blank at the plane. Your answer is?
Row.
We pointed through at the plane. Mm. Next. Number 5, Nicole.
Our dream home is blank and physical community.
So your answer is? Our dream home is a magnificent forest. Next, number 6, Ransel.
It's all blank being nice around the holiday.
It's all blank being nice around the holidays. Your answer is?
About.
Very good, about. Next, number 7. Back to you, Faith.
The best friends were sitting blank each.
The best friends were sitting blank each other. Oh, each?
Up.
The best friends were sitting or opposite with each other. Next, number 8, Nicole.
I ran blank the strangest meeting with.
Your answer is?